Red and white thermostat wires touching will short the control circuit and can make the heating system behave unpredictably. When red and white wires contact each other, they complete the circuit intended to signal a call for heat, so the furnace or heat pump will begin a heating cycle. If the system uses a mechanical transformer or simple relay, the short can force continuous operation until the wires are separated or a fuse blows. Modern thermostats and control boards often include short protection, but that can trip the control, causing the system to shut down or show error codes that mimic other faults. To diagnose this safely, first cut power at the air handler or furnace service switch, and remove the thermostat faceplate to inspect the terminals for bare conductors or loose strand contact. Use a small twist of electrical tape to cover exposed copper on each conductor and resecure wires under their terminal screws to maintain separation and firm connection. If a fuse has blown or the control board indicates a fault after correcting the contact, replace the fuse and reset the system only after confirming the wires remain isolated and the thermostat is set to a neutral mode. Common mistakes start with leaving power on while fixing wires, which can damage the control board and risk electric shock, so always turn power off before touching wiring. Another frequent issue is using the wrong gauge or stripped length, which allows stray strands to touch. Remedy this by trimming to the correct stripped length of about 3/8 of an inch and twisting or tinning strands if needed so they stay together. People also assume the thermostat is bad when the furnace runs continuously. Check for a stuck or bridged red to white connection at the thermostat and at the air handler, and only replace components after verifying the wiring is the cause. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and contractors find new work related to heating and other home systems. Our site also hosts a discussion community where people share real experiences and practical tips for diagnosing problems like thermostat wire shorts.